Hey there, are you dealing with unreliable internet and wondering how to fix your TP-Link router when sometimes there's no internet? You're not alone. Experiencing occasional internet dropouts can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll explore how you can diagnose and resolve these connectivity issues to enjoy a seamless internet experience at home. Step 1. Check physical connections. Before diving into more technical fixes, it's essential to ensure all physical connections are solid. Examine the power cable and Ethernet cables connected to your TP-Link router. Make sure the cables are not loose or damaged. A simple unplug and replug might also help reestablish a stable connection. Additionally, check the connection to your modem or ONT to ensure everything is properly seated and functioning. Step 2. Restart your equipment. A tried and true method to resolve temporary internet hiccups is to restart your router and modem. Power off the router by unplugging it from the electrical outlet and wait for about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Do the same for your modem if it's separate. This process can help reset your network connection and resolve issues related to IP addresses or network glitches. Step 3. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can often lead to connectivity issues or reduced performance. To ensure your TP-Link router is running optimally, visit the official TP-Link website to check for the latest firmware updates. Download and install any available updates by logging into your router's web interface, usually accessible via a browser at an IP address like 192.168.0.1. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your firmware safely. Step 4. Adjust wireless settings. Interference from other wireless devices or networks can cause drops in connectivity. Use your router's web interface to change your Wi-Fi channel to a less congested one. You can also try adjusting the bandwidth settings by switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, as each has its own strengths and suitable use cases. This adjustment might improve your network stability and performance. Step 5. Check for network interference. Various household appliances and devices can cause wireless interference, which leads to connectivity issues. Ensure your router is positioned in a central, unobstructed location away from walls, metal surfaces, and electronic devices like microwaves or cordless phones. This optimal placement can help reduce interference and improve your wireless signal's reach and reliability. Step 6. Reset or reconfigure your router. If you've tried everything and continue experiencing issues, consider performing a factory reset on your TP-Link router. Locate the reset button, usually found at the back, and press it using a small pointed object for about 10 seconds. This process will restore the router to its default settings. Once reset, reconfigure your network settings using the Setup Wizard. Be sure to set a strong password to secure your network. Dealing with intermittent internet issues can be a headache, but following these steps on how to fix a TP-Link router when it sometimes has no internet can restore your home's connectivity. From checking physical connections to adjusting wireless settings and performing updates, each step plays a vital role in ensuring a stable internet connection. Remember, consistent network problems might also be a sign of external issues with your internet service provider. If all else fails, consider reaching out to them for further assistance. With these troubleshooting methods, you're well equipped to handle most connectivity challenges and enjoy a smoother online experience. Happy surfing!